Birds have incredible nest-building skills, creating everything from intricate, woven designs to huge, chaotic structures. Prepare to be amazed by the diversity and complexity of these feathered architects. Today, we're counting down the most unbelievable bird nests, starting at Montezuma oropendola nest. In the rainforests of Central and South America lives the Montezuma oropendola, a striking bird with iridescent black feathers, a bright yellow tail, and a long, sharp tail feather. While its appearance is eye-catching, its nest is equally impressive. These social birds thrive in large colonies, often with hundreds of individuals, filling the air with their whistles, gurgles, and calls. They prefer high perches, building large, pendulous nests from vines, twigs, and fibers. These nests, up to 6 feet long, resemble woven sacks with a narrow entrance at the bottom. The nests are much larger than the birds themselves, providing ample space for multiple breeding pairs. They also serve as display sites during courtship, with males showcasing their nests to potential mates. Montezuma oropendolas are cooperative, building and caring for their young as a group. While not currently endangered, habitat loss from deforestation and human development threatens their future. Conservation efforts to protect their habitats and raise awareness are crucial for their survival. The sociable weaver bird's nest. The sociable weaver takes the crown for the most incredible colossal nests. Found in the Kalahari Desert of southern Africa, these massive nests are a result of the bird's impressive teamwork. They are among the largest nests built by any bird, stretching up to 20 feet in length and weighing several tons. Built in thorn and acacia trees, these nests offer protection from predators, provide a lookout for food, and help regulate temperature in the harsh desert conditions. Sociable weaver birds are highly social, living in colonies where they share the responsibility of building and maintaining these giant nests. They rely on each other for foraging, flocking, and fortifying their nests over generations, ensuring they last for years. Some nests have endured for a long time, proving they are anything but temporary. The bowerbird nest. Not all nests are just twigs and leaves, some are colorful and eye-catching. If birds hired interior designers, bowerbirds would be top picks. Why? Because they love making their nests bright and beautiful. Bowerbirds don't settle for plain materials. They collect anything colorful they can find: leaves, rocks, shells, feathers, berries, coins, nails, even plastic and rifle shells. The males put incredible effort into perfecting their nests to attract females, carefully arranging their collections. Meanwhile, the females inspect the nests with the utmost care. Only the best nests win, as the females have high standards, and subpar nests won't earn mating rights. Found across Australia and New Guinea, each bowerbird species has its own unique style. All this, just for love. The ovenbird nest. When you hear ovenbird, you might think of roasted chickens or turkeys, but the name actually comes from the shape of their nests. Ovenbirds create nests that look like primitive cooking pots, complete with lids. The red ovenbird stands out for its sturdy, round clay-like nests. These breeding pairs work hard for about 6 weeks to build them layer by layer using clay and local materials. The result is a strong nest that shields eggs and chicks from predators and the elements. As human development impacts their habitats, these birds have adapted by using man-made structures like buildings for nesting. This resourcefulness also benefits other species, like the saffron finch, which takes advantage of the red ovenbird's strong nests. It's common to see another bird inside an ovenbird's nest, while the ovenbird itself uses a building to raise its young. Southern masked weaver. The southern masked weaver, or Plosius vellatus, is a small, lively bird native to southern Africa, known for its striking yellow plumage and black facial mask. Males especially stand out during mating season when their vibrant feathers and bold mask help attract mates. Females, in contrast, have more subtle plumage that blends with their surroundings. Aside from its looks, the southern masked weaver is an impressive nest builder. Found in southern Africa's savannas, woodlands, and grasslands, these birds construct intricate nests often suspended from trees or built in reeds over water. The nests, woven from grass, leaves, and other plants, feature a unique entrance tunnel for protection and access to the inner chambers, where eggs are laid and raised. These spherical nests measure 8 to 12 inches in diameter and are lightweight, secure, and well ventilated. Hammerkop nests. The hammerkop, also known as the hammerhead stork or umber bird, is famous for its unique nesting habits and impressive construction skills. Found across Africa, from Madagascar to Arabia, these wading birds build massive nests, much larger than typical bird nests. On average, a hammerkop nest spans about 5 feet in diameter, with some reaching nearly 10 feet, big enough to resemble a small hut rather than a bird's home. Not only are these nests huge, but they're also incredibly strong, able to support the weight of a full-grown person. Hammerkops are versatile in choosing nesting sites, often using tree forks, cliffs, walls, or even dams. Building a nest is a complex task, involving over 10,000 sticks meticulously woven together. They then add mud for insulation and water protection, creating a secure environment for their young. Both male and female hammerkops share the responsibility of building, working year-round to construct up to 4 nests. To add a personal touch, they decorate their nests with bright objects like feathers, shells, and even bits of plastic or paper, making each nest stand out. Flamingo nest. Flamingos are known for their elegant posture and pink feathers, but beyond their beauty, they also have remarkable nest-building skills. Rather than weaving intricate nests like many birds, flamingos create mounds of mud, stones, and twigs. These mounds are flat-topped and concave, providing a shallow depression for laying eggs. The circular shape offers a stable platform for incubation. Flamingos are adaptable, and their nesting locations vary by species and region, but they generally prefer shallow waters like mudflats, lagoons, or saline lakes. These areas offer protection from predators and easy access to food, such as algae and shrimp. Sometimes, flamingos build nests on mud islands or along water edges, forming large colonies. They also engage in synchronized breeding, with hundreds or even thousands participating in courtship displays. However, their nesting sites face threats from human activities and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these areas and ensure the flamingo population thrives. Tailor bird nest. Some birds make nests from twigs and leaves, while others simply pile up mud. But the tailor bird goes a step further, it sows. Found across Asia and parts of Africa, this small, agile songbird is known for creating intricate woven nests. Using its needle-like beak, it sews leaves and plant fibers together with fine threads or spider silk to form a pouch or hammock-like structure. These delicate yet sturdy nests are usually built in trees or dense foliage, blending perfectly into the environment. Tailor birds gather materials like leaves, grass, and fibers, using spider silk to stitch the edges of leaves. This sewing technique creates secure, insulated nests for their young. Adaptable to various habitats, tailor birds thrive in forests, gardens, and even urban areas, as long as there's plenty of foliage. Their nests are highly camouflaged, making them hard for predators to spot. The tailor bird's unique nesting skills and adaptability truly make it stand out. Rufous Horo nest. The avian world is full of surprises, with birds and their nests coming in countless shapes, sizes, and colors. Among the most unique is the rufous hornero, whose nests resemble clay ovens rather than typical bird homes. Found throughout South America, these dome-shaped nests have fascinated ornithologists and nature lovers alike. The rufous hornero builds its nests using clay, mud, and organic materials, carefully shaping them into a durable, oven-like structure with a small side entrance. Unlike traditional basket-shaped nests, these sturdy, insulated nests can withstand both heat and cold, keeping young birds safe in harsh conditions. The birds thrive in South America's grasslands, savannas, and urban areas, as long as they have access to clay-rich soils for nest building. Bee-eater's nest. Looking for a unique bird's nest? Check out the fascinating bee-eater nests. These birds dig burrows into soft sandy cliffs or riverbanks, showcasing impressive excavation skills with their beaks and feet. The nests consist of tunnels and chambers, offering shelter for their young, protection from predators, and refuge from harsh weather. Bee-eaters often nest in colonies, with several pairs sharing the same area. They prefer spots near rivers or streams, where the soil is easy to burrow into. Found across continents,